Let's talk about Mapme categories. Mapme categories are a powerful tool to organize and filter your map locations. You can name categories anything you like. This flexibility lets you create filters for all sorts of things, such as amenity types, like parks or restaurants, ranges, like price or size, or even days of the week. There are two main types of categories. Single-level categories are straightforward, one-level filters that help users quickly sort through items. Multi-level categories offer a main category with subcategories, providing more detailed filtering options to help users explore specific types within broader themes. To create a category, go to the Categories menu in the Mapme editor. Click New Category. Now, let's customize your category. Give it a name. This is what will appear on the map. Add a description, which is a brief explanation of the category. You can add a marker for all locations in a category. Let's customize the marker. For the shape, choose a pin, circle, or no shape at all. Adjust the marker size. Select a color or add a color code. For the content, you can add icons, numbers, or text. You can also upload your own custom marker. Check it out, and if you need any help, just click the chat button.